Welcome to our video tutorial on how to make a classic American chocolate cake. Get ready to indulge in the rich and decadent flavors of this delicious dessert. To start, gather the following ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of hot water. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour 2 9x13-inch cake pans. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until smooth and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, mix in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the hot water. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Pour the cake batter evenly into the prepared pans and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely in the pans before removing. For the frosting, beat together butter, sugar, and vanilla until smooth and fluffy. Then, add cocoa powder and continue to beat until well combined. Adjust the consistency by adding milk as needed. Once the cakes have cooled, frost them generously with the chocolate frosting. Feel free to get creative with the decoration, adding chocolate chips, nuts, or fresh fruit.